students for again taking another step, making another milestone in their lives. Let's give them a hand. I'm sure even early this morning you couldn't think of the idea of presenting your thesis paper. So in fact, I saw some of you who presented here. You have some body language of pwede din na ako mo present. But indeed, you were able to do that. And you have proven to yourself that you can do it. And as I always share to you in the class, you don't have anything to prove in this world, but you have something to prove to yourself. And I guess this event allowed you to prove something to yourself that you can do it. Okay. So in behalf of the College of Arts and Sciences and Psychology Department, I would like to thank everyone, the psychology students, the Marian Awalato who is here, and of course the occupational therapy students for gracing us here in our research forum. I do hope the presentation of the research forum today will, foster more the climate of research, not only among the psychology students, but to the entire university. Because as a university, one of the thrust is research. So with that, again, once again, thank you very much and good morning.